Welcome to the demonstration of this function generator. Currently we are generating a DC voltage. We can give it some offset to make it an actual voltage. If we want, we can put in a specific value to force it to be at that exact voltage. We can also generate a sine wave, but of course we have to give it some amplitude first. Something that I integrated into this function generator is if you go above 10 volts, the value will be forced down to 10 volts. The voltage itself has a maximum and minimum of a maximum of 10 and a minimum of -10. And it says that right here. Note, peak value will not exceed 10 volts. Also, we can put some phase shift on this sine wave. We can change the number of periods. There's 3 periods. Or we can do absolute time. So now it's doing from 0 to 2 seconds, which is about 20 periods because the frequency is 10. We'll go back to periods. We can also alter the number of samples. If we do very few samples, the graph won't look as good, but it'll run faster if we're versus doing like 1,000,000 samples. It gives you the option of how many samples you take. We can input some specific time as long as it's between these two boundaries. We have a peak here about 6 volts, so that's right. We also have square wave, sawtooth wave, and triangular waves, and of course we have some noise too: Gaussian, uniform, and zero noise. And we can edit the frequency if we like. Bring this down to 2. See, the frequency will change. We also have some voltage properties down here. We have the maximum voltage, the minimum voltage, and the RMS voltage. We also have an off button, and we have a save output button, which can allow us to save a text file of the data. And that's about it.